Hi, I'm Matt, team member here at Video Email. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add video to your AWeber email. Video email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your AWeber emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. We have selected to create a new campaign using the drag and drop editor and have chosen our template. Next, we click on a text block in the template where we wish our video to be featured. We now select source code from the menu. We can now see the source pane from where we delete the code. We are now ready to move on to create our video content. The viewed video email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting a file from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the video file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. The next step is to choose how we are going to use the video we select to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of this page and select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our AWeber template. We return to AWeber, where we paste the HTML snippet into the source code pane. Our video is now playing in position within our template. Next, we select the preview option to view our video email on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. To get started for free, sign up for your unlimited free trial of the Viewed video email platform by scanning the QR code or visiting the link shown here.